You know, when you go to the car wash, it's always important that you read the signs. They have valuable information on them. Let's go to the car wash. Well, here we are. It says car wash. Because you read that, you know you're in the right place. Or how about this one? Dry foaming carpet shampooer. Dry. You and I know that dry is usually spelled with a Y, but they're getting clever here. Dry foaming carpet shampooer. Please, no loud music. No. Our neighbors will thank you. Under car instructions. Remove wand from bracket and roll under car. Hold wand firmly and squeeze trigger. Direct spray as needed. When finished, hang wand up. Do not use to wash car. Use with caution. Want more time? Insert one or more coins when last coin alert light beeper comes on. Well, who doesn't want more time? There are a lot of signs at the car wash. Yesterday was my birthday. Maybe they'll give me a discount. Well, maybe next year. I'll see you.